What's up, guys? It's Peyton and Riley. And today we're playing with slime. Our mom got this at Walmart yesterday. We have new slimes.
Yeah. She let her get the green, and she let me get the purple. Right? Wait, let's switch.
I'll switch for a little bit.
You want my slime, don't you?
Yeah.
Here, Peyton.
This is her slime. She's got my slime.
I'm going to take more of these out and put it in mine, okay?
Okay. Because I have a lot. And it doesn't stretch that good because I have way too many. Who is Granny talking to?
Probably Papa.
Our granny is watching us today at our house.
Yeah. Our mama. Right?
Our mom's at work.
Yeah. And the granny's here watching us. But she ain't watching us right now.
She's talking probably Papa.
Yeah, because she's here.
But she's over there inside. This is our house.
Our mom lives here, but Granny came over.
Yeah. She usually does every day our mom needs to work. Not on the weekends, but
yeah.
Our mom had to work today because it's Friday, and we didn't have school today because teacher worked day?
Yeah, teacher worked day.
No, it was Easter break and spring break. So we don't have school all week tomorrow.
Yeah.
We don't have school all week because, well, I didn't go to school all week because I've been sick.
I think this week too, right? Right, Peyton?
We were just sick all week. And when you get it stuck in your hair, I'm going to be wishing you didn't do that.
Peyton, there's one on here.
I might give her a bunch of my things because
and she has a bunch of them. And she let me have some.
Because I have way too many. And it won't stretch because I have too many. So I'm giving her some. Here you go.
Put in. Now I'm gonna mix. I used to put these in here, but now I don't. Because I have these.
We just got them yesterday.
Yeah. I got mine yesterday. Did you?
Yes.
Did you get yours at the same Walmart? I got mine at Cleveland.
Wait, I got this on my birthday. She got it for us. Well, me. On my birthday. I didn't get to go to the fun stuff on her birthday. Because I was sick.
Her mama probably said that her mama probably just wanted her to stay with her. Right?
Yeah.
Did she
we
tell
have
you?
the same mom, but my mama wanted me to stay home because she didn't want, because there's a lot of people going and she didn't want me to get either even more sick or get anybody else sick.
Did she tell you to say that you're sick?
Yeah, but
why'd she say
this girl
that?
at school, I said, I need to get a little keychain for my little sister. And she was like, okay, that would be like $50 or something. I was like, what? And she was like, yeah, I make them and I sell them. My money, my rules. And I was like, okay. So I gave her my $50. She still hasn't gave me that dang keychain yet. She keeps saying, I have a bunch of customers. You need to wait. It's a little keychain that I'm getting for you. It's really pretty. And it has an R on it. But what is this?
Can I have some, oh, can I have some more, please?
We're just finding what's time.
Yeah.
Talking. Why our Look.
I think both right now is time to get both of them.
Go. Grab her bucket.
It's okay. Just come on.
Hurry up.
All right, wait, come here. Give you both your birthday presents.
No.
You don't want your birthday present?
No. You guys know what that is. Our birthday present is going to be a spanking from Papa. We know better. I have some. Oh my
Papa,
gosh.
are you giving us a real birthday present?
Yeah.
No, it's a whooping.
Come here if you want your birthday present. Come here. Today's your birthday.
No.
Come here.
Mm-hmm.
All right, then.
He's got us a
Daddy
birthday.
won't even do it to me, Mom.
Let us put our stuff down first.
Okay.
Put it right here.
I don't know where to put this.
I have a little card to pick it.
Never mind.
Hey,
I just forgot about the car.
how many legs? That was two of them.
No. Next. I don't remember what
Wait, yeah, after this.
No.
Come on up here and get it now. Take it like a good big girl. See, Riley took hers.
Riley didn't know.
Didn't you take two licks, Riley? Come on.
This guy was Papa.
Just come on up here and lean right there.
No.
Come on.
Fine. Don't spank me hard.
Now, I never did tell Mom and Daddy that because I knew I was going
Yeah, it would have done no good to my mom and dad it. Well, it might have been worse on me if I'd have told them that.
Because our birthday's only 9 days apart.
Oh, just look at that.
I got $5 and you got $5.
Are y'all gonna give her a hug and everything?
Hey,
Oh, well, you give your own away. It ain't if it's giving you no more, you give it away.
Go hug him, honey. Give him a
well,
hug.
he's still giving out cash.
You know, Papa,
Bye, Papa.
Bye, honey. Love y'all.
Except that let's get our
Go fix your money up before you lose it.
say
out
don't
here.
lose it out here.
Oh, I'm gonna drive this car.
Well, I got more stacks because, well, she didn't get more cash, but she got more stacks because, well, he didn't have another $5 bills. This is my house. Oh my gosh. Hey, you want to sleep in here? Sure. Wait. I love this farm. Well, guys, that was it today, and hope you like our birthday spankings that you probably see us got. Hers is, and if you're wondering why we both got it, both got money and all that, it's because hers is March 25th, mine is April 4th, and he didn't see us. So, we got our birthday spankings. Because we received, of course. Always it. But that's the end of the thing.
Hey, and
those
let's
birthday
sit together.
spankings. No, bye.